Welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be reviewing candlesticks in real time. And we're also going to use our $200 proven day trading strategy to make consistent gains. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into the morning episode. Start the day off. We are currently up $2,538.12 for the past 11 trading days. That's approximately $230.74 in profits on a daily basis. Let me go down here to show the calendar off. So we've been green since last month in September. And we only had one red day so far. That was a day when I didn't, trade live. I was trading at home by myself. All right, family. So now we are going to review the economic calendar. So based on today's, economic calendar, we really don't have a lot of market moving news catalysts that's on the calendar, but don't worry, we're still going to be able to capture some moves. Now we're going to take a deep dive into the support and resistance levels for the overall market. All right, family. So let's check out the overall market watch list before we take a deep dive into support and resistance levels. So at this current moment, AMD is leading the way. They had some AI news that came out in pre-market. So keep a close eye on AMD today. We may have a pullback when the market opened, but family, it's showtime. And I'm about to go over the support and resistance levels for SPA, QQQ, and IWM. We are currently pulling back on the open at the moment. All right, so for IWM, we have a key support level at $246.54. We have a key pivot point at $247.19. We have a key resistance level at $248.34. For the Qs, we have a key pivot point at $607.11. We have a key support level for the Qs that's currently at $605.08. We have a key resistance level at $609.74. Last up on our list, it's SPA. So SPA, we have a key support level at $669.85. And we have a key pivot point at $671.19. And we have a key resistance level at $672.74. All right, family, it's about to be showtime, but we're about to make some money in real time. And we're going to be utilizing the candlesticks to make these fast gains. Let's go, family. And make sure you all click that like button. Let's get those likes up, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. All right, so we have the Qs on our chart at this current moment. We're currently trading below the pivot point. I'm going to set up an alert below this key level that we had on the open at 9:30 a.m. That alert is currently at $25,181. At this current moment, the overall market, it is currently bullish, and we pumped massively in pre-market. So we may have a slight pullback market open. So keep a close eye on your chart, family. We may have a slight pullback.
Order filled.
All right, let's go. It's about to be showtime. All right, beautiful. We just broke below key level. All right, so I'm going to start off with one contract right here. I'm going to start off with one contract.
Order filled.
We add one more right here. If we break below support level number 3, I'll add 3 more contracts. We have support level number 3 at $25,168. That's a key support zone. I'm only going to start off small right here, though. And let me set up an alert right here at that level. Hold on one second, family. All right,
order filled.
Let's go. Let me get in right here. 5 contracts. Come on, beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm taking profits pretty soon on a short position towards the downside. All right, we just bounced near support level number 1. Let's see if we can go back down. Come on. Come on, keep pulling back. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. All right.
Order filled.
Just secured profits on that short, family, towards the downside. Keep a close eye on the chart. We have 1-minute bearish candles developing on our chart right now. We're currently trading below support level number 1. And good morning, everyone who just joined the show. We just went short on the open on these 1 minute bearish candles. Whenever you see red candlesticks on our chart, that means we're selling off. And whenever you see green candlesticks, that means we're having some buying pressure develop on our chart. But at this current moment, we're still bullish because we're trading above our VWAP indicator. But I had a strong feeling that the market was going to pull back when the market, opened up, because we were already pumping, massively in pre-market. So that's the number one, reason why we're currently pulling back right now, because we pumped up massively in pre-market. But we had a great short opportunity on the open in this zone right here. Great short opportunity. If we break below $25,156.25 on the open, after this 1 minute candle close, I'll probably go short once again, and I'll sell near support level number 2. That's currently at $25,144.25. At this current moment, we have a 1 minute bullish candle developing. So keep a close eye on the chart. Keep a close eye on the chart, family. All right, so we're still selling off slowly.
Order filled.
We'll start off with one contract right here. I like how this 1 minute bearish candle is forming, and we have a 1 minute bearish MACD at the bottom of our screen. Since I already made some money, I'm not going to go too heavy, but we do have some sellers on the open based on these 1 minute bearish candles. And as a beginner, whenever you see red candlesticks on our chart, that means, the stock market, it's selling off at that current moment. Come on.
Order
I'm going to add one more contract right here. I'm not holding too heavy. I'm only holding 2 contracts at the moment. All right, so we're trying to bounce in that area. So I'm glad I didn't go too heavy. But sellers, people are currently taking profits since the market pumped so massively in pre-market. And we have a poll going right now as well. Make sure you all, answer that poll. All right, so the buyers, they're trying to step in on the 1 minute time frame. Let me highlight this 1 minute bullish candle. Buyers, they're trying to step in, but this candle, it didn't close yet. We have about 3 more seconds before this 1 minute candle close. We have a bearish MACD on our chart. I would like to sell my current position down here near support level number 2. That's where I would like to take profits at, family. All right, so as long as we're trading above this candle right here, I would use caution. I would use caution since we're trading above this candle right here. Now, if we break back below this candle, I'll add to my current position and buy a little bit more contracts. But at this current moment, just wait on the sidelines until we break below $25,172.50. All right, so I just received an alert for the Nasdaq. We just reached a new 52-week high, but we're currently pulling back on the open. And we don't really have any strong confirmation towards the upside based on our technical, indicators. We still have, a bearish MACD at the bottom of our screen. And I'm currently down on my second entry. Currently down. And so I'll highlight where some sellers sold off at on the open. We sold off on the open in this area right here. Whenever you see red candlesticks on our chart, that means the sellers, they're currently selling off. At this current moment, we have green bullish candlesticks on our chart. So that means that the buyers, they're stepping in right now. Once we get back below this 9:35 a.m. candle, I'll go short once again. But wait patiently. We're currently trading near the 20 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. That's on my other, screen. And we're also still trading below the pivot point. Still trading below our pivot point. Just received another alert for the Qs.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm gonna buy one more contract right here. This is a risky play, family. Extremely risky play. I'm currently holding 3 contracts right now. We're still bullish. We are still bullish. IWM just reached a new 52-week high. Come on, let's get back below support level number 1. If we get back below support level number 1, I may add a little bit more contracts to my current position. Risky play, family.
Order
All right,
filled.
buy one more right here.
Order
One
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Currently holding 5 contracts short. Let's see if this baby can work out for us now. Beautiful, beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, so I just secured profits, family. That was a beautiful short opportunity
Order
for us.
filled.
I'm gonna get back in right here. Let's go.
Order filled.
Just secured profits once again.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Let's go. That's how we do it, family, in real time. I'm still short.
Order filled.
All right, I just secured profits, family. Make sure you take some profits if you went short. We're currently approaching support level number 2. Secure some profits because the sellers, the buyers, they may step in near support level number 2. So take some profits right now. So that was about 9 minutes of trading, family. 9 minutes of trading. All right, family. Let me check out the poll. So based on our poll, I had a question, when this live stream started off. I said, which candlestick pattern do you trust the most when day trading? So 67% of the members trust the bullish engulfing candle. So whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle, it's a strong full body bullish candle. So that's basically, giving us confirmation that the market may want to start, trending up towards, next resistance levels. Now I see that nobody picked a bearish engulfing candle. So a bearish engulfing candle, that means that, let's say, for example, let me see if I can pull up a pretty good example for us on the chart so you all can see it in real time. I'm gonna pull up a pretty good example for us. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame really quick. So this 5-minute candle right here on the open, that was a 5-minute bearish engulfing candle because it engulfed this previous 5-minute candle at 9:25 a.m. So whenever you see a candle, devour the previous candle and it's a full body candle, that will be considered a bearish engulfing candle. Now, let's say, for example, if this candle was green on the open and the previous candle was red, that would be considered a bullish engulfing candle, and you would see price hitting towards the upside. But since we sold off on the open, hold on one second, family. Hold on one second. Let me see where these buyers are stepping in right now. Hold on one second. All right, so we still have some sellers on our chart right now, family. So that bearish engulfing candle that was developed on the open, that's why the market is currently pulling back, because based on the candlestick that was developed on the open, that was giving everybody, an indication that, hey, the market may possibly, sell off on the open. And that's exactly what the market did. It sold off on the open, and we made some money in real time. We made some money in real time, family. So that was a great, learning lesson, for everyone. I think my favorite 2 candlesticks is probably the bullish and the bearish engulfing, because they usually give you, strong confirmation if the market, want to pull back or trend up towards the upside. And look at that, family. The market, it's still pulling back because we had that 5-minute bearish engulfing candle on the open. Look at that, family. And if we break below $25,144.25, it's a strong possibility that we're going to go down here and test VWAP. So if you're still short on your position, great job. But your boy Money Spence, he already took his profits. I already secured my profits within about 9 minutes of trading. 9 minutes of trading. So what's up, Cold Fizzle? What's going on, Cold Fizzle? So family, let me know in the chat if anyone made some money off of that, short opportunity that we took on the open. We're still pulling back, family, just how your boy Money Spence predicted that we would do on the open. We're still pulling back, and nobody should be long right now. Nobody should be long right now. We said we are bearish, and we had 1 minute and 5 minute bearish candles confirming what we were trading. So that's the primary reason why we went, short towards the downside. We didn't have any indication to go long, even though the overall market, it was bullish. We didn't have any indication to go long, family. No indication whatsoever. We're currently trading below the pivot point. We're trading below support level number 1. We're trading below support level number 2. And now we're approaching support level number 3. We have multiple bearish candlesticks on our chart. So if you went short with us, you should be up a nice sizable amount. Great job, Cold Fizzle. Cold Fizzle said he made $15. Great job, family. Great job. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, family. All right, so the bulls, they're trying to step in on the 1 minute time frame. We had a great opportunity on the open once we broke below our pivot point to go short from 9:30 until 9:43 a.m. Let's go, family. All right, so let's see if we can recapture support level number 2. That's resistance at this current moment. All right, so we're recapturing support level number 2. Keep a close eye on the chart. We may hit back up towards support level number 1. And everybody should have secured profits right here on this 1 minute bearish candle. And a great short entry was right here or right here at 9:38 a.m. That was a great short opportunity. So family, I have something special for everyone on the chat today, but you've got to stay on the live stream until 10 a.m. so you can get the news. I got something special in place for you all, family. I got something special in place for you all. And make sure you all click that like button, family. So it's about 15 minutes into the trading day. We already secured some profits on the short position towards the downside. Great job, and salute everyone who made some money. Great job. All right, so I already highlighted the 1 minute bearish candles where we could have, purchased that and where we secured some profits at. So whenever you see red candles on our chart, and this is for our beginners who haven't been, trading for that long. Whenever you see red candles sticks on the chart, that means the sellers, they're currently selling. So in these areas right here, we had some selling pressure. We had some selling pressure in 3 areas on the 1 minute time frame. And now the buyers, they're trying to step back in. They're trying to step back in right now.
Order filled.
All right, come on. Let's see what's going to happen from here. Beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. All right.
Order filled.
I'm going to take those profits. So I just went long right here in this area. I just secured some profits. So it's a risky play getting in down here, family. Risky play. Let's see if we can break back above support level number 1. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. So I just secured profits on a long position towards the upside because I noticed that the buyers, they were stepping in. The buyers, they stepped in this price zone down here. They stepped in right here in that price zone. All right, let's see what's going to happen right now. Let me remove this highlighted area, because the trend may possibly change. We're still holding above VWAP.
Order filled.
Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. I'm going to take profits pretty soon, family.
Order filled.
Just secure profits on that long position towards the upside. Use caution. If you do go long, use caution. Risky play right here, family. So I went long right here in this area. I went long right here in this area. And I'll show my P&L towards the end of the live stream. I'll show the P&L towards the end of the live stream. So in about 2 minutes, I'm going to make the big announcement for everyone. I'm going to make the big announcement in 2 minutes. I have something special planned for everyone. All right, family. So let's see what's going to happen. All right, so now I'm going to highlight the areas where the buyers stepped in on the 1 minute time frames. The buyers, they stepped in these areas down here, right here. These areas right here. This is where the buyers stepped in at. They stepped in this area. Now, if we start trending above this zone right here, that's a possible, confirmation towards our pivot point. It's a possible confirmation towards our pivot point. So keep a close eye on the candlesticks, family, because they're telling a buying and selling story. All right, family. So I'm about to end this poll and I'm about to make the big announcement. So let me end that poll. All right, so the buyers, they're stepping back in, family. Keep a close eye on the chart.
Order filled.
The buyers, they're stepping back in. All right, so let me update our new poll. Let me update our new poll. All right, family. So this is my way of giving back to the people who've been watching me for these past, 2 months. All right, so I just started the poll. So who would like to get a free 30-minute day trading coaching session with Money Spence? This is going to be a free 30-minute coaching session with your boy Money Spence. So answer that poll, and I'll tell you all how you can get a free 30-minute session with your boy Money Spence. But you'll have to stay on here until 10 a.m. so you can learn about what you'll have to do next. Let's go, family. It is show time. All right, so we have a 1 minute bearish candle developing on the chart. All right, so we're starting to pull back now. We're starting to have a slight pullback. So nobody made no money today? Ain't nobody make no money with your boy Money Spence? Cold Fizzle was the only one who made some money? Hold on 1 second, family. So we're starting to approach VWAP now.
Order filled.
We're starting to approach VWAP, so keep a close eye on the chart, family. If we lose VWAP, your boy Money Spence is going to go short. Let me set up an alert right there near VWAP. Your boy Money Spence is going to size up and go short. Keep a close eye on the chart, family.
Order filled. Order filled.
Keep a close eye on the chart. Beautiful. I think we just broke it, family. We just broke VWAP. Keep a close eye on the possible move back towards support level number 3.
Order filled.
Keep a close eye on the chart, family.
Order filled.
Come on. So it looked like the buyers just tried to step in. Hold on 1 second. Let me set up an alert right below here. Keep a close eye on $25,129. If we break below that level, that will confirm our short position towards the downside. We just tested VWAP about 2 times. So it's a possibility that we may go back down. But everyone honestly should have secured profits at 9:53 a.m. for the short position on the open. Let me remove these highlighted zones. This was the A1 setup on the open, a 13-minute play. Now, we may have another opportunity if we drop below $25,129. We may have another opportunity. So get ready, family. It's about to be showtime if we lose VWAP. Get ready. And make sure you take profits whenever you're comfortable with the profits. Make sure you take profits. All right, so now I'm about to announce everything that you'll have to do so you can try to, let me see, Mind My Own Business says she made $420. Let me see, Jocelyn said bank $2,167. Great job, family. I love it. Great job. So here's the steps that you'll have to take to get this free coaching session with Money Spence. So you'll have to like this live stream, right? You'll have to like the live stream, and you'll also have to leave a comment after this live stream is over under the YouTube, video. And I'm going to pick 1 through 2 traders on a weekly basis based on the like and based on the comment that's left after this live stream is over. And I'm going to help you excel in a one-on-one session with Money Spence. I'm going to help you excel in a one-on-one session for free with Money Spence. I usually charge $100 for these sessions, but it's going to be free for the members who are currently on here. That's all you have to do is like this YouTube video, drop a comment after this live stream is over, and you want to basically talk about what you learned and what helped you see the market differently. So that's all you have to do, family, to get a free 30-minute session with your boy Money Spence. All right, let me see. Now let me remove this information. All right. So yeah, that's all you have to do. Just like today's live stream, leave a comment after it's over about what you learned or what helped you see the market differently. And then instead of trying to learn in real time, you'll have a personalized one-on-one session with your boy Money Spence. And I'll also probably prepare a PDF coaching plan for you after the session is over. So that's going to be some major value for you, family. But I think we're about to possibly pull back. We're starting to approach VWAP. Once again, keep a close eye on the charts, family. Keep a close eye on the chart. Keep a close eye on the chart. So we have about 5 more minutes, family, until this live stream is over. 5 more minutes. All right, come on. Let's see what you're going to do. So I'm keeping a close eye on a short position if we drop below $25,129. Keeping a close eye on the short. You could have went short right here in this area and sold somewhere down here. All right. We have a 1-minute bearish candle developing on the chart. Let's go. All right, I'm going to test a short out right here, family. But it seems like we keep bouncing off of VWAP. We keep bouncing off of that purple indicator. We need to get below it. I'm testing out another short right here. Stop loss in place. Already secured profits on the first short opportunity. So now I'm trading in my second account right now. Come on, let's see if this baby is going to drop, because we might see support level number 3 today if we lose this level. If we lose that level. All right, so let me go back to the chart really quick. Let me see how many participants we have. So we have 86% of the members said yes, and 14% of the members said no. So that's a good sign so far. We have 86% that said yes. All right, family, so let's see what's about to happen. We still don't have any strong confirmation towards the upside. We're still trading below our support levels. We're currently trading below support level number 1, our pivot point. Now we need to break below VWAP for a stronger confirmation towards the downside. But we're having, a little bit of difficulty breaking below that level. We're having a little bit of difficulty. All right, come on. And let me remove these alerts and let me set up a new alert. Let me set up a new alert below this level. All right, so I think it's about to take place, family. I think it's about to take place. We need this 1-minute candle to close bearish, though. Whenever you see red candles in our chart, that's giving us an indication that the market is currently selling off. So I'm still holding my short position. Still holding it. Risky play, though, family. Extremely risky play, because a lot of people, they went short up here in this zone, and they secured profits down here. So I'm waiting for us to go back down there, but it's taking, its own good old time. Come on. Buyers stepping in once again on a 1 minute time frame. All right, so let me go back to the poll. So we have 86% said yes. Great job, family. I love it. I love it. We have some members on here who want to grow and improve their day trading skills. That's amazing, family. That's amazing. All right, so we're still waiting patiently to see if this thing is going to pull back. And I'll show my P&L for the move that we caught right here shortly. I'll show my P&L shortly for that move. All right, so the buyers, they stepped in right here. Danger for anybody who's currently short. If we break back above this level, that's danger, family. So keep a close eye on your position if you're still short. All right, so let's see how much your boy Money Spence made today when we went short earlier. Let's see how much your boy Money Spence made. So on that short position from earlier, your boy Spence was able to make $161.16. So now, so far for September and October's gains, your boy Money Spence is currently up $2,699.28. So let's divide that by 12 to see if we're still on track. Yeah, so if we divide that by 12, on average, your boy Money Spence is making about $224.94 on a daily basis. So family, I really appreciate everyone for joining this live stream. And if you want a free 30-minute coaching session with your boy Money Spence, make sure you like this live stream, leave a comment after the live stream is over, and talk about what you learned from the live stream, and also discuss talk about what helped you see the market differently. So family, your boy Money Spence is about to call it a day. We only trade over here for 30 minutes and then we're done. So everyone have a safe, blessed day. And once again, thank you for rocking with your boy Money Spence. I'm out, family. Peace.